This video is brought to you by Blue Signal FX. Blue Signal FX just dropped their new ultimate trading journal, whether you trade stocks, Forex, crypto, futures, or bonds. This is a powerful tool that will help you become a better trader and allows you to track your trades, record your emotions, and analyze your trading results. By writing down your thoughts and experiences, you can build a comprehensive understanding of your trading performance. Link will be in the description below. What's going on, guys? Vinny here, back with another video. And I want to say, guys, this strategy, the GSA strategy, is truly unbelievable. Okay. All you need is one strategy in the market. Okay. Just one strategy, and you can become a consistently profitable trader. When I first started trading, I was trying to find that one perfect strategy that always worked for any condition. And you're not going to find that anywhere, guys, because all strategies work. Some are simpler than others. And with this strategy, it is very, very simple. Okay. It's all about following the rules. Forget the psychology. To me, if you're not following the rules, if you're not disciplined enough to follow the rules, guys, you're never going to be a consistently profitable trader. So with the strategy, all you have to do is follow the rules. Okay. If you can't find a setup, then that means don't trade. But let me show you what has been going on these last few weeks. So in the previous video, guys, I showed you I was going to be growing the $200 account. And I was able to grow that account to about $1,500 using the same exact GSA strategy. So here is the video I'm going to show you guys. I'm not actually going to play the video, but as you guys can see, I deposited $200. The account was at $1,500, and I withdrew $200, as you guys can see. So now the account balance is $1,300. Okay. But I use this G.S.A strategy to grow this account using that same exact setup every single time. Okay, and I'm going to continue to use this setup because it's consistently profitable. Okay, the best way to see if a strategy works is actually to forward test it, not back test it. Okay, use your strategy in market conditions to see if it works. Right, that's going to tell you whether you're going to be profitable or not. So let's take a look at our paid members group. That was some trades that I called out. Let's see how well we did this week. So first trade I called out was March 1st. Okay, because I didn't see any setup until then. First one was NZD JPY for a sale. Okay, NZD JPY for a sale. All right, using the strategy. All right, so as you guys can see, we're on NZD JPY 4-hour time frame. Dropped 58 pips. Okay, we dropped 58 pips. Let's take a look at our next trade that I called out. Euro USD for a sale. Euro USD for a sale. Let's go to Euro USD. And as you guys can see, we're on a 4-hour time frame. Price dropped, okay, for a total of 84 pips. Okay, using the just GSA strategy. Again, GSA stands for grow small accounts. You can use the same strategy even if you have a large account, but this is going to help you grow your small account. All right, so that's we're 2 for 2 on our trades right now. Okay, winning trades. Let's go to the next one. Next one is gold sale. Okay, let's go to gold. All right, gold sold for a total of 65 pips. Okay, so we're 3 for 3 right now on the trades. All right, let's go to GBP NZD for a buy. GBP NZD for a buy. All right, let's take a look how we did on GBP NZD. GBP NZD price bought, so we got a total of 189 pips on GBP NZD. All right, we're 4 for 4. All right, let's take a look at The last one is GBP CAD. Okay, GBP CAD. All right, told everyone to buy. And what happened? Let's take a look. Voila, price bought. Okay, for a total of 117 pips. All right, so we are 5 for 5 out of wins using this strategy. That's 100% win rate, guys. That is 100% win rate. Okay. Now, you have to understand with the strategy, you have to allow time for your trades to play out. Okay. Example of this was NZDJPY. On the 4-hour time frame, guys, there was a lot of consolidation. Whenever you have a big move, sometimes price goes into consolidation before it continues to go in the opposite direction. Okay, so that's exactly what happened. We had some consolidation early on, but I continued to hold my trade and follow my rules. No rules were broken. Price never went up to hit a stop loss or go in the other direction. Price continued to consolidate for a few days and then finally dropped on Friday, right? But with the strategy, guys, you can become consistently profitable if you follow the rules. Okay. Now, if you want to get this strategy, all you have to do, guys, is click the link at the bottom of this video. I'm Vinny. I'm the owner of Blue Signal FX. Okay, Blue Signal FX. We have our own trading journal. We have our indicator, which is Vinny's trading cheat code, and then we have our strategy that we use for Vinny's trading cheat code. Okay. Again, I have a free Telegram channel where I do put out trades from time to time. I don't give out stop loss and TP in our free group. Okay, I'll give out trade ideas. All right, if you want stop loss and TP, join the coaching group. But not only am I getting results, but members are getting results. So here's a quick testimony I wanted to share with you guys. One of the members said, I'm sitting at the airport and wanted to make a quick $1,000 from the GSA alert. My intentions weren't for a long-term hold, just a quick profit. He says, thanks, sir. My flight will be extra smooth now. I'm upgrading in first class. Why not? All right. So he took a trade on GBP USD for a buy and made $1,000 quick at the airport, guys. That's not only the only member testimony. You can go to our free Telegram group, and I do share other testimonies with the members, so you can see that I'm not the only one, but there's members inside of our group that are using this same exact strategy and becoming consistently profitable. Okay, as you guys can see, it works. The proof is undeniable. Okay, again, I'm going to continue to grow this account. This $200 account that I started, I'm going to continue to grow it. And actually, I'm going to use that money to withdraw, and I bought a prop firm challenge. Okay. The prop firm challenge that I'm going to be using this time, the first time I used was Fidel Crest. This time I'm going to be using, I'm sorry, the first one I bought was my Forex funds. This one I'm going to be using Fidel Crest, and the account challenge for 150,000 that I'm going to be passing using the GSA strategy. So you guys will see that you can use this strategy to pass any pop firm as long as you follow the rules. So I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. But again, guys, now was the time to get into our coaching group and to get this indicator, because price is going to be going up. Okay. All right. So make sure you hit the link in the description, go ahead and get signed up, and I'll see you guys inside of the group. Peace.